Holy basil is a plant. It is originally from India and is used in Ayurvedic medicine as an adaptogen to counter life's stresses. It is considered a sacred plant by the Hindus and is often planted around Hindu shrines. The Hindu name for holy basil, Tulsi, means the incomparable one. The Tulsi plant has numerous therapeutic qualities. The foliage is a nerve tonic and also sharpens memory. They will encourage the removing of the catarrh matter and also phlegm through the bronchial tube. The leaves enhance the stomach and also stimulate massive sweating. The seed of the plant are mucilaginous. The leaves of basil are particular for most fevers. Throughout the rainy season, whenever malaria and also dengue fever are broadly common, soft leaves, steamed along with tea, behave as precautionary towards these illnesses. In case there is severe fevers, a decoction of the leaves boiled along with powdered cardamom in half-liter water and also combined with sugar and milk lowers the temperature. The juice of Tulsi leaves may be used to reduce fever. Extract of Tulsi leaves in fresh water needs to be provided each 2 to 3 hours. In between you can keep providing sips of cold water. In kids, it really is very great at lowering the temperature. Tulsi is a crucial component of numerous Ayurvedic cough syrups and also expectorants. It will help to mobilize mucus in bronchitis as well as asthma. Gnawing Tulsi leaves reduces cold and flu. Water steamed along with basil leaves could be used as drink in case there is a sore throat. This particular water may also be used like a gargle. Tulsi has got immunomodulatory, helps you to regulate the defense mechanisms. Antitussive, suppresses the cough center, lowering the quantity of cough, and also expectorant qualities, helps discharge phlegm through the chest, which make it an excellent comfort for coughs, cold, along with other respiratory system problems which includes long-term as well as severe bronchitis. An excellent property of the leaf would it be possesses antibacterial and also antifungal qualities which help to conquer the infection resulting in the respiratory problem. Additionally, it reduces blockage because it includes powerful elements just like camphor, eugenol and cineol in its essential oils. Its anti-allergic as well as anti-inflammatory qualities also assist to deal with sensitive respiratory problems. The holy basil, as being a fantastic diuretic and detoxifier, is ideal for the kidneys. Tulsi helps in reducing the uric acid amounts within the blood. One of many causes of kidney stones is definitely the existence of excessive uric acid within the blood, assists clean the kidneys. The existence of acetic acid along with other elements in the essential oils helps with wearing down kidney stones, and its particular painkiller effect aids dull down the pain of kidney stones. To ease kidney stones you have to hold the juice of Tulsi leaves along with honey, every single day for 6 months to assist wash out the stone through the kidney. Basil is incredibly valuable in fighting heart disease and also the weakness caused by it. It lowers blood cholesterol level. Tulsi also includes vitamin C along with other antioxidants just like eugenol that safeguards the heart through harmful effects of free radicals. Tulsi may also decrease blood pressure level and therefore is wonderful for heart sufferers. Typical pediatric difficulties just like cough, cold, fever, diarrhea as well as vomiting react positively to the juice of basil leaves. If pustules of chickenpox delay their appearance, basil leaves taken along with saffron will speed up them. Basil leaves are thought to be an adaptogen or even anti-stress agent. Recent surveys have demonstrated that this leaves affords considerable safety towards stress. Even healthy persons can certainly gnaw 12 leaves of basil, twice daily, to avoid stress. It cleans blood and enables avoid numerous typical components. The leaves are quite powerful from the ulcer as well as infections within the mouth. A couple of leaves chewed will certainly heal these types of problems. This particular herb additionally helps prevent insect stings as well as bites. A teaspoon of fresh juice needs to be applied to the impacted areas as well as repetitive after a couple of hours. A paste of fresh roots is additionally great at case of bites of insects as well as leeches. Use a paste of Tulsi leaves and also roots ground collectively on the sting of the scorpion. It'll totally remove the negative effects of poison. And in such cases, smashing several leaves of Tulsi as well as combining it along with lemon helps too. Use it on the area of the sting and it'll treat the situation. The pain brought on by the sting could be decreased by consuming Tulsi juice and also by using it around the sting. Whilst the sun allows life on Earth, it may also harm your skin. Extended exposure to the sun leads to sunburn, skin wrinkles, and also cancer of the skin. Melanoma, which is generally brought on by extreme sunlight exposure, is regarded as probably the most hazardous kind of skin cancer. Thankfully, Holy Basil might be an achievable cure for radiation injuries and also skin cancer. A survey through the Pharmaceutical of Biology journal demonstrates that ocimum or even basil plant species have got anti-melanoma as well as radioprotective qualities. Again, this particular doesn't suggest that basil plants are a cure for cancer of the skin. However, the general consensus appears to show that it safeguards the skin from dangerous radiation. The foliage is additionally beneficial in dealing with teeth problems. Tulsi leaves dried as well as powdered may be used for cleaning teeth. It may also be combined with mustard oil and could be utilized like a toothpaste. It retains the health of the gums and helps to combat foul breath, pyorrhea along with other dental issues. This particular toothpaste may also be applied around the gums to prevent gum swelling. Tulsi is additionally utilized like a mouthwash to ease toothache. Tulsi is a wonderful mouth freshener as well as oral disinfectant and damages 99% of bacteria and germs perfectly located at the mouth. These types of leaves are extremely powerful for a number of mouth infections just like ulcer. Tulsi helps you to reduce headaches brought on because of sinusitis, allergies, cold or perhaps migraines. It is because it's got pain-reducing as well as decongestant qualities that assist reduce the pain sensation as well as resolve the root reason for the problem. If you suffer from a headache, make a bowl of water which has been boiled along with crushed Tulsi leaves or even Tulsi extract. Cool the water until it really is room temperature or even bearably hot. Put a tiny towel within it, wring out the excessive water and put this in your forehead to deal with a headache. On the other hand, you can dip our towel in plain warm water and include a few drops of Tulsi extract to the towel for fast pain relief. Basil juice is an efficient treatment for sore eyes as well as night blindness, which is generally brought on by shortage of vitamin A. A couple of drops of black basil juice are put in the eyes every day at night. Numerous stomach problems just like acidity, bowel problems as well as unwanted gas may also be healed along with Tulsi leaves. Tulsi helps digestive tract as well as allows you to really feel less bloated and much cozier. It may also help individuals struggling with vomiting as well as insufficient urge for food. Leaves of holy basil are loaded with antioxidants as well as essential oils that leave eugenol, methyl-eugenol and caryophyllene. Collectively, these types of ingredients assist the pancreatic beta cells which store and discharge insulin, function effectively. Therefore increases level of sensitivity to insulin, reducing one's blood sugar levels and also dealing with diabetes efficiently. An additional benefit is the fact that antioxidants contained in the leaves assist conquer the harmful effects of oxidative stress. Tulsi plant works just like a COX-2 inhibitor and also benefits individuals with unpleasant medical problem. Several substances present in Tulsi helps you to relieve inflammatory as well as neurological pain and it has no negative effects in any way. Tulsi is additionally utilized in the management of ulcers, cuts as well as wounds due to its advantageous germ killing as well as recovery qualities. Tulsi is anti-carcinogenic naturally and helps to deal with several types of cancer which includes breast cancer. Tulsi limits the blood vessels which nourish tumors. It may also help to prevent the development of oral cancer which it brought on because of tobacco. Yet Tulsi shouldn't be utilized like a sole treatment for cancer. Along with contributing generally to respiratory system health, holy basil has been proven to be useful within the management of a number of severe hypersensitive, inflammatory and infectious problems affecting the lungs and associated tissues. Commonly helps healthy pulmonary function. Tulsi has quite strong anti-stress substances and is also excellent to assist one stop smoking. It will help by decreasing the stress which may be involved with attempting to stop smoking, or even stress which leads to the desire to smoke. Additionally, it features a chilling effect on the throat much like menthol drops and enables manage the desire to smoke by letting the individual to munch on something. Ayurveda depends on Tulsi leaves like a quitting smoking device. Keep several leaves along with you and gnaw it whenever the desire to smoke arises. An additional plus is usually that the antioxidant property of the leaves may help combat all the damage which occurs out of years of smoking. Basil, particularly holy basil, is definitely an herb pregnant women are inspired to stay away from. Basil is utilized for causing labor, therefore only when your pregnancy is delayed. You might have basil or even basil tea. Even though studies have not even proven it finally, it's best that pregnant women keep away from basil. There are actually herbal treatments which use basil as well as basil in programs for infertility, therefore answers are still mixed. However, these types of home remedies might have contraindications, so do consult with your physician before you do use this particular herb. Gastric ulcers are painful sores or even ulcers which form inside your stomach. It seems that holy basil is an efficient cure for gastric ulcers. Results from a survey recovered from the Journal of Ethnopharmacology demonstrate that holy basil includes powerful anti-ulcerogenic and ulcer healing qualities. Other research has shown similar results. As a result, it's possible which holy basil might help deal with peptic or even gastric ulcer. Asthma is really a medical problem which causes your lungs and also airways to swell. It is usually characterized along with symptoms of wheezing, difficulty breathing, and also coughing. It's possible which holy basil may reduce the signs and symptoms of asthma. In past research exactly where patients were cured with holy basil, scientists realized that breathing function enhanced. Therefore, holy basil may perhaps assist reduce particular signs of asthma. Please like, share and subscribe.